Hi guys, in this video we will be focusing on how to create this navbar in the CoolStore website. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and create a file. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name it store.html. And what I'm going to do now is go to Bootstrap, the Bootstrap website, which is getbootstrap.com. So let's go there and so now once you open the website, let's go to Get Started. So let's click on the button, and here you will see the link to use Bootstrap. So let's copy that. But before we do anything, let's type in HTML:5 and press Tab. So this is just a little thing built into Visual Studio Code, which is my preferred IDE, my IDE of choice. So I'm just going to use that, and then now we're going to paste the link that we just got from Bootstrap into the head. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open a new page called Ion Icons, and this is just going to be used for looking at like icons that we can use in our website. So next, let's go to usage over here, and then let's copy these two script tags and paste them into the head again. So let's just make space for them and get them in here. So yes, that is what we have. Next, so what we want to do is we're going to open this file in our browser. And as you can see, we have nothing. So this is because we didn't add anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the Bootstrap page again, and we're gonna collapse getting started. I'm going to expand components. Then inside components, we're gonna search for Navbar, which is right here, and we're going to copy this. Well, I'm going to copy that one. So now we're going to paste all of that code in the body, and you can see that's quite a lot of code. So next we can reload our web page, and we can see that we have this navbar. So first of all, I'm going to customize this to my liking. So this navbar is going to be navbar dark, and I'm going to make this dark so that can be inverted colors. So now we have this. Next thing, I'm going to delete these search drop downs and other things that I don't need, so I'm just left with the home button. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to delete. First of all, next we're going to reload the page, and we can see that we have this home button. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy this unordered list, and we're going to paste it a few times so we can get 5 of them. So first we're going to change the home to the shoes, and next we're going to do t-shirts. Next we're going to do watches, then laptops, and Apple products. So now that we have this, let's look at how this looks, and looking pretty good. So first of all, what I'm going to do, or second of all, I guess, whatever, we can create a style tag in this nav. So this is basically just inline CSS, so yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the border radius to 10 pixels or 20 pixels. And I am going to next give this a padding on the right or the left to a 20 pixels. So now we have that gap over there. Let's make that 40. No, oops. Make that 30. And border radius is going to stay here. So now that we have this, that's looking pretty good. I will change the border radius to 20 or 10. Okay, that looks really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the padding on the top to something like 20. So padding top 20 pixels and padding bottom 20 pixels. So now we have this. Pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a margin to left, and we're going to say 20 pixels there. And we are also going to do a margin right for 20 pixels. So now that we have this, I'm going to use a margin top as 10 pixels. And we have this basically floating navbar. So now what I'm going to do is, this is just an opinion, but I think I should use a opacity a little bit down. And I'm doing this because it will be overlapping some text in the final result. Like as you can see here, if I click on t-shirts or something, it's overlapping this text. So I just think I should make this opacity a little bit lower. So yes, that's how you make the navbar. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be creating this home, like this section over here where it says welcome to CoolStore, and it has this progress bar. So yeah, see you then.